Welcome to Module 1, answering the question, why Amazon Redshift? Part of the Pluralsight course, building your first Amazon Redshift data warehouse. My name is Russ Thomas, and really I can't tell you how excited I am about Amazon Redshift. Well, actually, hopefully I can. After all, this first module is meant to answer why you should be considering Amazon Redshift yourself for data warehousing. If you're taking this course, you either have an interest in it, are considering it for a future project, or are hoping to build your understanding of what it offers. All worthy goals. I myself am a longtime relational guy that has been focusing on Microsoft SQL Server. In fact, you can find several other courses right here on Pluralsight on that very subject. Now, this is an intro-level course to Amazon Redshift. However, it will definitely be helpful if you have a basic understanding of some previous relational database, such as SQL Server, or MySQL, or Postgres, or really any relational database where you understand some basic OLAP concepts. OLAP standing for Online Analytical Processing, so databases oriented towards aggregates, BI, reporting, and heavy read-only traffic. This as opposed to OLTP, Online Transactional Processing, so databases that are oriented towards order entry and heavy update, insert, and delete type applications. Now, if you don't go away, just know you might have to go look up some other things while we move along. I'll try to help where I can. So we're going to get right into the meat of some of the reasons that Amazon Redshift deserves attention right here in this module by focusing on a general overview of first its history and its architecture and then its potential. This should serve to build both an understanding of what Redshift is and what it can do. For some context, we're going to proceed through this course as if you are a new data architect at Abacus Widgets and have been assigned to help build our next generation data warehouse. Our demands, as we've received them from the chief architect, are first, massive scale. We have many terabytes of data. Next, scale out capability so that we can keep up with varying demands. And lastly, if possible, continued compatibility with many of the reporting and ad hoc query tools that customers, business users, and others already know and use. In other words, if it's SQL compatible, that would really be helpful. Now, Amazon Redshift has already been selected as the go-forward technology. This first module will detail the reasons why by focusing on the internals and the capabilities that we've discovered within Amazon Redshift. The remaining modules will detail how. By the end of this course, you'll have a fully functional sample data warehouse that you helped build, running on Amazon Redshift. And in fact, I'll even do my best to keep it free for you as long as you're a new Amazon AWS customer, or at least a new Redshift customer. So first, some background. Where did Amazon Redshift come from? You may have heard rumors that it's Postgres behind the scenes. So let's address that real quick because it does kind of answer some of the initial architectural considerations of Amazon Redshift.